Hello friends, welcome to my channel Info by Reshu. Here I will give you the information regarding various topics, subjects, issues. I hope you will be benefited by it. Today's topic is history. So let's start it. What is history? History means the study of the past. Now, the word history is derived from the Greek word historia, which means research, inquiry, and investigation. Now, the first real historian of the world, the Greek historian Herodotus, 484 BC to 425 BC. His book is the Histories, 430 BC. The Histories describes the background and events of the Greco-Persian, Greek-Iranian wars. Now, who was the father of modern history? The German historian Leopold von Ranke, 1795 to 1886 AD. He is known as the father of modern history. According to Ranke, the task of historian was to describe the past as it actually was. Now, we are going to learn about a system of dating. That is, what is BC and AD. BC means before Christ, an English phrase before the birth of Jesus Christ, and AD, Anno Domini, a Latin phrase in the year of the Lord Jesus Christ. Now, the timeline. What is timeline? The line displaying the events of the past time is called timeline. Here, there is a line where we can see it is the timeline. Here it is clear that the years before the birth of Christ have counted backward, and it is also clear that the years after the birth of Jesus Christ was counted forward. So here it is AD and it's BC for today. So this is a timeline. That's all for today. I hope you will like it. On my next video, we will discuss about some more topics on history. So keep watching my channel. So bye bye.